Of the 25.8 million tourist arrivals, we have 361,335 tourists from the United Kingdom, underscoring the importance of this market to us.
One, two, three. Yeah. And then looking up to me. That's it. Wonderful. Right. Brilliant. Okay.
On my count of three, please cut the ribbon. 1, 2, 3. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the opening of the Malaysia Pavilion here at WTM 2019.
We trust this collaboration between Tourism Malaysia and Etihad Airways will always bring positive outcome and help us achieve our common goal, especially next year, to bring in just about 30 million visitors to Malaysia. And with that, I'd like to thank and welcome Etihad as our partner in this collaboration, this campaign for Visit Malaysia 2020. Thank you very much.
Actually planning a trip to Malaysia to take them back next year and hopefully recreate some of the experience that I did for them. But
Richard Quest spoke to the tourism chief this week in London.
The tourist is looking at the experiential tourism. You know, they would like to come to the destination not to follow the itineraries only, but to come what they can offer and what they can experience. And we are getting into that already. You know, Richard, we are the first country in the area that offering community-based tourism to the rest of the tourists to experience Malaysia, for example. One of the missions that we have is to ensure that the rural folks in Malaysia to have the benefit out of tourism in which always the city folk will have.
Tourism Malaysia dan agensi pelancongan peringkat negeri turut memperkenalkan produk tarikan pelancong terbaru termasuk acara rumah terbuka besar dan perjalanan sejarah hidup Perdana Menteri Tun Dr. Mahathir Mohamad.
Satu rumah terbuka khas untuk semua kita di rakyat Malaysia, termasuklah juga pelancong-pelancong ni. Misal Hari Raya kita buat skala yang besar, masuklah Hari Christmas, Hari Raya, Chinese New Year, Taipusam, Hari Gawai dekat Sarawak dan juga Hari
Harvest Festival dekat Sabah.
Tourism Malaysia mensasar 30 juta pelawat dengan pendapatan 100 bilion ringgit sempena TMM 2020. Haliza, Hashim, London.